don't realize what you lose until you lose it. It's just being able to see them like from not walking to being able to walk and not being able to dress themselves to being able to dress themselves. And it's just like a really rewarding time. Our speaker, it's a company named Hanger. They're a prosthetic and orthosis company. He's bringing a prosthetic, and some prosthetics are a little bit different, so there's a range of prosthetics. So there's like cosmetics, powered, electric. So I heard he was bringing some type of electric prosthesis, which is a very expensive prosthetic to get. But he's coming in, he gave us a nice PowerPoint. They haven't seen anything prosthetic-wise, but they're going to be talking about like wrapping, anything like sockets for the prosthetics. I graduated in 2018. I came back here as a teacher, and it's cool to see the back end of everything. I think I wish I would have known that we would do a lot of hands-on things, because back then it was a new program, and when you think school, you just think, you know, like sitting in a class, lecture. I didn't know we were going to be out in like, there's like a term where we were just out in the park for like the whole term pretty much. There's outside events that we can go to get a more hands-on experience. So for me, I wish I could have known that we would do a lot of like simulation labs and all that stuff. I really like the program. It shaped who I am today, and it shaped my career, and now I'm here giving back. And it's kind of cool because it's like full circle. When you work as a therapist, everything seems so easy. Teaching it is what helps it make it look